So the BMC should be happy with that. At least something has gone right this monsoon for the civic body, which has faced a lot of flack for the way it has been handling the rains. While torrential rains, like we said, did flood parts of the city, like Swesha just showed us, the new pumping stations installed by the civic body are helping to get that water out much, much faster. My colleague Disha Shah caught up with the BMC Additional Municipal Commissioner Sanjay Deshmukh. Listen in to the advice he gave to Mumbaikars.
We are very regularly issuing advisories about the high tides, and especially when there is a high tide which is over 4 meters, it can be very dangerous. So it is our appeal to people of Mumbai that please do not go near the sea, and please take precautionary measures, that when there is a warning of high tide from the MCGM, it is always better not to go near the sea. It may be adventurous for some to go near the high tide, but it can be very dangerous also.
What about other areas, so like Hind Mata at Lower Parel and Sion Gandhi Market? Those especially low-lying areas, and we have also, we have reported waterlogging in such areas. So in such instances, what can residents do? And in such cases, what is BMC doing to ensure that there is no flood or there is no waterlogging going forward?
Flooding in these areas is mostly on two accounts. When there is a high tide and at the same time the intensity of rain is very heavy. Today there was a high tide and intensity of rain also was very heavy, and between 10 to 11 am the rain intensity was almost 50 millimeter, and therefore there was waterlogging at some of these places. But we had kept our main and machinery readily on the spot, and in the entire city of Mumbai we operated 203 pumps to pump out the water, and in addition to that we activated all 5 major pumping stations. However, there was some extent of waterlogging at about 3 to 4 places, which lasted for about 1 to 2 hours.
Which places were those?
They were Sion, Hind Mata, Parel TT and Mukhyadhyapak Nala. But there also water receded within 2 hours, and vehicular traffic was also restored.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.